A very good morning, children. This is the video number 2 of the poem The Puppy from your English course, children. In this video we are going to do the explanation part of the poem. Please place your books in front of you. Let's begin. The Puppy, written by Oliver Herford. The puppy cannot mew or talk. He has a funny kind of walk. Children, here the poet is telling about his puppy and is making fun of it by saying that the puppy cannot mew or talk. Children, can a dog mew or can a puppy talk? The animals cannot talk, children. So he is just making fun of the dog. And the poet says that he has a funny kind of walk. Children, he is a small puppy and so he does not know how to walk properly. He does not do his things properly because he is newly born. His tail is difficult to wag and that's what makes him walk zigzag. Children, in the next 2 lines, the poet is saying that he has a small tail in which he finds difficult to wag his tail. And that's why he walks in a zigzag way. In the second paragraph, the poet says that he is the kitten of a dog. From morn till night, he is all agog. Children, that he is a kitten of a dog means he is very small and he is type of a kitten, small baby, and from morning till the night he is very excited. Children, how is a baby? Very excited to do things, always in a very good mood, wants to play around. The puppy is just like that. Forever seeking something new that's good but isn't meant to chew. Forever seeking something new. The puppy is always finding something new that's good but isn't meant to chew. Means he always chews all the things and he always goes and finds out something to chew. Next line, the poet says, he roams about the tulip bed and chews the flowers white and red. Here the poet says that he destroys the tulip bed in the garden and chews all the flowers which are white and red in color. Roams means, children, roams means plays roughly and noisily. He destroys the tulip bed, children. And when the gardener comes to see, he is sure to blame mama or me. In the next line, children, he says another naughtiness of the little puppy. And when he destroys the tulip bed in the garden and chews all the flowers, and when the gardener comes to see it, the destroyed flower beds, he is always blaming mama or me. Children, me here refers to the poet. One game that cannot ever fail to please him is to chase his tail. One game he always plays, children. The puppy, the little puppy, always plays one game in which he cannot ever fail. Means he never fails in this. To please him is to chase his tail. He always catches. He always wants to catch his tail, twist it, and it's not an easy game. The poet says when he watches his puppy doing this, he says that it's not easy to catch one's tail. Last paragraph, children. If he has not a pretty face, the puppy's heart is in its place. Here the poet is saying about the attachment. Here we can feel the attachment between the poet and the puppy. The poet says that if he has not a pretty face, the puppy's heart is in its place. Means if the puppy does not have a pretty face, still that he loves the heart which he has. He's so in love with the puppy, and he apologizes in the next lines, children. I'm sorry he must grow into a horrid, noisy dog, aren't you? Children, the last line, a horrid, noisy dog, aren't you? Here the poet is asking us, when we will grow up, we will also become independent and do whatever we want to do. Here the poet is saying, when the puppy will also grow up, he will become very bad and will bark on everyone, will bite. And here the poet asks a question, aren't you? Means he is asking us whether we will become the same or not. When we will grow old, we will become a good person, a helpful person, and will be able to do all the things which we want to do, and that too we'll do it perfectly, because we'll grow up. Children, when we are small, we cannot do things on our own like the little puppy. Here the poet is saying and apologizing that he made a mistake, that he made fun of the little puppy, and lastly he was so attached to the little puppy Okay children, that is the end of the explanation. Thank you all.